The Bat and the Weasel. A bat fell to the ground and was caught by a weasel, and was just going to be killed and eaten when it begged to be let go. The weasel said he couldn't do that because he was an enemy of all birds on principle. "Oh, please spare me. I have a family, a wife and children. But I am not bird at all. I am a mouse," said the bat. "So you are. Now I come to look at you," said the weasel, and let it go. Some time after this, the bat was caught in just the same way by another weasel, and as before, begged for its life. "No, I never let a mouse go by any chance. I do not let you go," said the weasel. The clever bat wanted to get rid of the weasel and said, "But I am not a mouse. I have wings. I can fly. I am a bird." "Why, so you are," said the weasel, and he too let the bat go. Once again, the bat was set free by the weasel. Thinking on his feet, the bat has been safe from the two tough situations.